Math Love, 5 unbeatable ways to enjoy mathematics, like never before. Hello, studying machine. Fostering a love for mathematics can transform the learning experience from a chore into an engaging and enjoyable journey. Here are 5 strategies to help people start enjoying mathematics, each backed by different perspectives and approaches. 1. Connect mathematics to real life. Real-world applications of mathematics make the subject more relatable and interesting. By understanding how mathematical concepts apply to daily life, students can find more value and interest in the subject. Create content that showcases the use of mathematics in various fields such as engineering, economics, art and technology. For example, explain how geometry is crucial in architecture or how probability affects decision-making in finance. 2. Incorporate games and puzzles. Games and puzzles can make learning math more interactive and fun. They stimulate curiosity and encourage problem solving in a less formal context. Introduce your audience to mathematical puzzles and games such as Sudoku, Kenken, or logic puzzles. Highlight apps or online games that reinforce mathematical skills through play. 3. Adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, is key in learning mathematics. It helps learners embrace challenges and persist in the face of setbacks. Share stories of people who succeeded in mathematics by persevering and working hard, not just because they were naturally good at it. Encourage your audience to view mistakes as learning opportunities. 4. Use visual and interactive learning tools. Visual aids and interactive tools can make abstract mathematical concepts more concrete and understandable. They cater to different learning styles and can enhance comprehension and retention. Integrate software and apps that offer interactive simulations and visualizations of mathematical concepts. Tools like GeoGebra, Desmos, or Khan Academy provide interactive graphs, diagrams, and exercises that can make learning more engaging. 5. Create a supportive learning community. Learning mathematics in a supportive community can significantly enhance motivation and enjoyment. Peer support and collaborative learning environments encourage sharing of ideas and problem-solving strategies. Encourage your audience to join or form study groups, online forums, or social media communities where they can ask questions, share insights, and learn from each other. Highlight platforms like Reddit's rLearnMath or specific Facebook groups dedicated to mathematics learning. By integrating these strategies into your content, you can help demystify mathematics and transform it into a subject that your audience not only appreciates, but also enjoys exploring. We've reached the end of our journey today, and I just want to take a moment to say a huge thank you for joining us on this adventure into the joyous world of mathematics. Your curiosity and willingness to explore new perspectives are what make this community so incredible. Until next time, folks.